Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing all the things fall. So we're going to be doing some cleaning motivation as well as some fall decorating, and I have a really yummy fall soup recipe for you guys to try as well. So I really hope that you guys get a ton of motivation from today's video. Please, I apologize. My baby is here. He's playing. You hear it. Sorry about it. Mom life. Anyways, and also I'm going to be actually reorganizing my bookshelves today as well. I'm gonna have that on listed on my other channel. I have a channel that's dedicated to books and reading, and I'm gonna be doing a how to organize your bookshelves and give a bunch of different ideas. I'm gonna be doing a video like that over there coming up really soon. So if you guys want to go check that out, the channel is called The Enchanted Library of Holly Christine, and I will have it linked in the description box below, but that's where you'll be able to see me do that. So basically my bookshelves, when we go to decorate them today, are gonna look different. I'm going to try to alphabetize them today. We're going to try a whole bunch of different sorts of ways to organize books and see what looks best on my shelf. So we'll do that over there, but when I come back and I'm going to be decorating for fall, my bookshelves will look different and you guys will notice, I'm sure. So that's why I wanted to let you know what was going on with that. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to do some quick cleaning motivation, just get kind of a blank slate ready to go so that we can decorate for fall today. It is September 2nd as I'm filming this, so hopefully I'll be able to get this up to you guys really soon. Yeah, gets the fall motivation going. I'm so excited. Fall is my favorite season, and I just love all things to do with fall, as most people do, really. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right on into it. All right, so I'm going to be beginning in the living room, and I'm just going to do a general tidy up because, like I said, I want to make sure that I'm starting out with a clean slate. I don't want to be bringing in bins of decorations and adding to an already messy house. I just like to get everything cleaned up first so I can start with a fresh slate, and then I can carry on with my decorating from there. So we're going to begin by just picking up everything, and then I'm going to do some vacuuming and straightening up the couch. And then I am going to be taking care of my bookshelves as well, but I'm not going to show that in this video. I will be showing that on my second channel at some point here. Yeah, that video still needs to be finished, so might be a little while before you see that one. But if you are interested in books and reading, then definitely head over to that channel as well.
Just gotta power it through, cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. Make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine.
So as you guys can see, my little entertainment stand here has become just kind of the collection of just crap. So I'm going to empty all of that off, and I haven't actually wiped this down in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a good wipe down as well, and then wipe my end tables too.
Keeps on ticking faster. I don't know the way, just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I could feel fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy you are by my side, and when I close my eyes you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night, cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby.
All right, moving over into the kitchen. I needed to clean up after lunch, and my father-in-law had brought some of his garden produce over for us as well, so I needed to get that into the fridge. So I'm gonna go ahead, tidy everything up here, get the dishwasher unloaded and reloaded, and that way I have a nice clean kitchen just ready to put my little decorations on. I always like to do right underneath that cabinet there on the corner where that plant is. I always like to do like just a little scene for whatever holiday. That's typically the only place that I decorate for in the kitchen. Then I also will do something on my dining room table, but it's just like a little cluster of decorations for whatever season I'm decorating for.
Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life, I wanna leave. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. Let's go on the longest journey far away.
All right, so while Dawson's eating his lunch, finishing up there, I'm gonna tackle this dining room table. So I have a bunch of stuff on here. Holden was coloring on here earlier, and then I have some clothes that need to be put away. So I'm gonna get all this taken care of, get it all cleaned off, and then I'm gonna fold some laundry on there. And once we are done with that, then we will head on back into the kitchen to make more of a mess because I really want to show you guys this really delicious fall soup that I've been making, and it is so yummy.
Then I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. We're not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.
Okay, so we are now nearing the end of the cleaning portion, and I wanted to just pause here and show you guys this really awesome recipe that I've been making. So this is a fall lentil and vegetable soup. It is so delicious. It has delicious lentil beans in it. It's got potatoes. It's got all kinds of different vegetables in it. It is super healthy for you. It's got turmeric in it, and I just love it for fall. So you're going to start out with about 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, about 1/4 of a white onion, and then I used about a teaspoon of pureed garlic and a teaspoon of pureed turmeric. You're going to add that all into a pot with some olive oil that has been heated up, usually about medium heat, and you're going to let that fry for a bit. Then once that has gone for a little while, it starts to get soft, you're going to rinse out your lentil beans. I buy the kind that you don't need to pre-soak or anything like that, so you just need to give them a rinse, and then you can add them into whatever recipe you want. And then I'm going to add just 1 small potato. I like to leave the skins on. I like to use red skin potatoes, and I leave the skins on. I'm going to add that as well as some salt and pepper into my pot, let that go for a little bit, and then I'm going to add in the water. So I added in 4 cups of water, and I'm going to put in 2 vegetable stock cubes. Once that boils, I'm adding in my lentils, and then I'm going to let that go for a bit and just stir it and let it go until everything starts to get soft. And just keep checking it back every once in a while and make sure that everything's cooking. once it's all cooked, I'm going to add in a couple of handfuls of kale. This just like helps, you don't even really notice the kale in there. It just really helps to boost up your nutrients. And I don't know, it looks so pretty as well. They say you eat with your eyes first, so it definitely looks a lot prettier when you add the kale in, and just adds that little extra dense nutrients in there. So you'll let that go for another couple of minutes, and then once it is all done, it is time to ladle it up and enjoy. And I have been loving making this soup all fall. I've made it quite a few times already. It is so delicious. Even my kid eats it. And yeah, look at how beautiful it looks. It looks so pretty to me.
Okay guys, so it is actually the next day. This took me forever. I did not get done until like supper time, and by that time I was like, no, I'm done. I'll just finish tomorrow. So it is the next day, and I've brought up my huge tote full of fall and Halloween decorations. We're just gonna do fall for now, and we'll do Halloween at the beginning of October. So I'm gonna go through everything, separate everything out, and then I ended up not finding, I went the other day, you guys might have already seen this in my fall decor shopping vlog. I was looking for pillow inserts because I bought a whole bunch of fall and Halloween pillow covers from Shein, and I needed inserts, but I didn't find any anywhere that I went. So I'm gonna have to order them off of Amazon. So I don't have the pillow inserts, so I'm just going to use the ones off of my bed just to kind of like show you guys and give you guys the idea of how the space is going to look once the pillow covers come in. So I'm just going to do that, and yeah, let's just get on into it.
Okay, so now I'm just bringing up this huge bin that has all of my fall and Halloween items in it, and I'm just going to separate everything out. I got Dawson there playing with his toys on the floor, and then Holden's going to come help me for a little bit as well. But I'm going to separate everything into the fall decor as well as the Halloween decor, and I'm going to put the Halloween stuff back into the bin. We will revisit that in a couple of weeks when we decorate for Halloween, but like I said earlier, we're just going to focus on fall for now.
Gold, like they did with you those summers ago. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. But now remembering is all I know. There's a storm coming, summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk.
All right, so this is all the fall decor. So I'm going to have to kind of spread this out between my living room and the kitchen as well as the dining room. So I want to make a little spot here on my entertainment stand. I want to put something on each of my end tables. I need to put stuff on my bookshelves, and then I need to create two little like clusters of decorations, one for the kitchen and one for the dining area.
I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. There's a storm coming, I am ready for the cold. I'll be better when the summer's gone. Now the wind's blowing, and I'm right back here again. It might take a while, but I am.
All right, we are done in the living room. We're going to now move over into the kitchen, and I'm just going to work on both of these two little clusters at once, and then I'll just take the one over to the dining area. But I just brought over all of the rest of the decorations that I haven't used yet, and we're going to split them up between these two little clusters.
On my own, than never been in love those years ago. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own
Okay, you guys, so we have our little fallified living room here. So let's take you through and show you a little bit more close up. So we've got this sign, welcome to the pumpkin patch. This little display over here with the sign, the candle, all these little pumpkins. And then over here we've got a little floral centerpiece with a sign that says thankful and blessed. I had some issues with these pillows, but they will work. So these all came from Shein. This one says happy fall, y'all. This one says meet me at the pumpkin patch. And then over here, hello fall. And they all have the same background pillow behind them. I think it looks super, super cute. I would really like to get, I think maybe like a mustard yellow throw. Something like that would probably really help fall it up in here. And then over here I have this little centerpiece here. It says hello fall with a little Bath and Body Works candle and candle holder. Okay, and now for the bookshelves. So I just added a little touch. I tried to do it to most of the bookshelves. So there's a little sign over there. This one says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Then down here we have the hot cocoa and cream Bath and Body Works candle, along with a little leaf dish and a little pumpkin. Then down here I brought out the pumpkin pecan and waffles candle. Nothing on this shelf. This one has a little sign that says simply blessed. And then nothing really on this shelf. Up here we have a little pumpkin and a little sign, happy harvest. Over here we have the campfire donut candle. A little sign that says pumpkin patch. And then down here, got a little candle holder. Nothing on this shelf here. This one has a little gold dish with a little pumpkin on top, hello fall, and the sign. Nothing for that one. And this one has the 3 little pumpkins. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. Just a little sprinkle of fall here and there that you can just kind of see it when you're looking for it, but nothing that really jumps out too much. Just a little sprinkle. Dawson having lunch. And then over here I made up this little centerpiece with all these little pumpkins, this floral centerpiece, and this little bright star you can plug in, along with this sign. I think it looks really cute. And then finally over here we have this centerpiece for the kitchen table. It says happy harvest, and it's got these little glow pumpkins that light up. Bath and Body Works candle, candied apple. All right, you guys, well, that does it for today's video. I really hope that you got some fall decorating inspiration from it. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked what I did and how you're decorating your home for fall. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.